Here I have INTEX Aqua Power, and let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the following home screen. Let's use here upper bar twice and tap on the battery icon right here. As you can see, the following battery information pops up, so here you can also use more key, and in that corner you can open this more keys and select here battery saver. So here you can enable the battery saver, you can also disable the battery saver. You can turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery, and with the information that this mode improves the battery life by reducing your device performance and limits vibration services, location services, and most background data. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.